Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you will learn how you can maneuver the feature on Superex exchange to earn $10 to $20 per day. Alright, before we dive into today's tutorial, if you are new to this channel, consider like, subscribe, and click on notification bell to receive notification whenever I post my next video. Alright, let's dive into today's tutorial. Once you log in, you will see this interface. This is Superex exchange. If you don't have an account yet, you can use my referral code or referral link to register, and you'll be given your welcome bonus. And note, if you don't use referral code, you might not be given your bonus. You understand? So you can find somebody around you that is using Superex exchange. You can request for their referral code to register. You also be given the welcome bonus. Alright. I really like this exchange a lot for the fact that I search different exchange to search for a particular token that can give me $10 to $20 per day, but I found none except this exchange. So if you want me to tell you this particular token I'm using to print dollar every fucking day, you can consider subscribe to my WhatsApp group. It's only 10 USD per month. So there I'll be giving you signal when to buy these three particular token and when to sell, and you'll surely be in profit. Let's start from SuperStart. You see this SuperStart. The exchange gives you the opportunity to buy new token that is about to be listed on the exchange at low price. And this new token, I can remember I really earn a lot of money from this particular token you are seeing. We bought at 0.01 per one, and when they list it, let me show you. You can search for it. You see, when they list it, it was around $1. No, remember we bought at 0.01, and it's now increased to $1. You see how profitable that is. In SuperStart, we'll earn a lot of money since we buy at low price. So let's move on to another feature. If you want to know more about these SuperStars, you can watch my previous video step by step how you can participate in the IO. Let's move on to spot trading. So if you want to, as we now you want to trade ET. Let's say you want to trade ET now. You can click on buy. You can click on buy. You see here we have market price, limit price. This limit price is telling us that you can set your desired price you want to buy, and you can also set your desired price to sell. Take a look at the market price. This market price is telling us that you want to sell at market price. But the only disadvantage there is that if you choose market price and you want to sell, maybe market is at 3.9727 now as it is. You think you want to sell at this particular price. No, you will actually sell at this 3.9700, because that is the price buyer are willing to pay. So you are going to sell at that particular price. It's just like you have apple. People know that this apple is 150, but the person that want to buy it does not have enough money to buy it, just have 100 naira to buy it. So, and you want to sell it, by all means, that means you are going to sell it 100 naira, which buyer have. So that's why if you choose the market price, you are surely going to sell it at that particular price where buyer are willing to buy. So that's just the market price. If you want to buy ET now, you can set your desired price. Since we are using limit here, you can set your desired price. Let's say I want to buy at 3.9700. Yeah, and you will set your range. If you want to use 25% of your money, you can click on 25. If you want to use 50% of your money, you can click on 50. And if you want to use the whole of your money, you can drag it to 100%. So you click on buy now. Once the market come down to 3.9700, we buy. Once we buy, you can go on to sell. Set your desired price to sell. Maybe you want to sell at 3.935. Now that means you have ET because you have used your dollar to buy ET. So you set all of it, the range to 100%. Now you click on sell. That means once the market reach your desired price here, 3.9935, it will trigger. That's all for buy and sell. So let's move on to another feature. Go to home page. You see P2P. Yeah, this P2P. Here you can buy and sell USDT. If you don't have USDT on your Superex, you can buy here by click on any person you want to buy from here. So this particular P2P, I've made a lot of video. You can check my previous video on P2P to learn more on P2P, how to buy and how to sell. So let's move on to another feature. Yeah, if you want to deposit, let's say you have a coin in one exchange like Binance and you want to deposit to this exchange, you can click on deposit. Maybe it's USDT you want to deposit, you can click on USDT. You understand? So you just copy the address. If you want to know more about this deposit and withdrawal, you can also check my previous video. Alright, let's go back. Another feature. So I think that is all for SuperEx. Once you learn how to buy and how to sell, SuperStart here, you can earn a lot of money here. P2P, you can buy and sell. That is all for today's video. See you in the next video.